Hi, let's do another Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. This is actually inspired by somebody and I have no idea who it is, so I'll obviously tag the person in the description box. But I've seen this makeup tutorial on TikTok, so I'm going to try and recreate it. It's quite fun, pink, gems, glitter. What was the last one? Oh yeah, the last one, but kind of the same idea as the last one if you've seen that. Just priming first with the Grace's Faces primer. This is like a priming moisturising base. It's really nice actually. I'm going to mix these two foundations, MAC Studio Radiance. I'm not the biggest fan on this one. It's like a ceramide type of foundation. It is nice if you kind of like that look and finish in your skin. I'm going to mix it with my beloved Marc Jacobs. Is it the Remarkable foundation? It is, yes. So it's in the shade Bisque Golden. These foundations are discontinued, I think. I think was it not mentioned that Marc Jacobs Beauty was coming back? And I got really excited for that because this is honestly like the best foundation ever. Whenever I found out that it was actually being discontinued or the brand was no longer becoming a thing, I went on and bought like so many bottles of these foundations. This should be enough to do the whole face because this is a really full coverage foundation. So I'm going to try my hardest to make this work, but I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I might do, I'm still thinking about it, but basically I'm wanting to film a TikTok on this as well. So I might actually have to film the TikTok whilst filming the YouTube video at the same time. So my lighting's gonna change. I might have to move these to here so my phone camera can sit here in front of me to film the TikTok, and then you can kind of see as well. It's gonna be a whole situation. But it's just because I'm wanting, you know, like the wee heart situation, I'm just wanting to do one on this side. So this means that I can't like do one on camera here on YouTube for you and then film the other side for a TikTok. So I think I'm gonna have to try and work it out where I'm doing the both at the same time. Pink Honey Cream Bronzer. I know this is so disgusting. No one really wants to hear about my herpes, but cold sores, guys, Jesus Christ. Like, I know I could just Google it, and I have, but I want a second opinion. Why do I keep getting cold sores? Don't get me wrong, this is like my first cold sore this year, but if you watch my videos regularly, I am prone to getting cold sores, right? And it's just, I don't know why. I usually always get them whenever I'm stressed, run down, like tired, not getting a lot of sleep, or in the sun. Like I always get cold sores whenever I go away on holidays. So yeah, why do I keep getting cold sores? And do you know what it is? Like, you see, if I didn't do what I done, wouldn't bother me. Would not bother me. Obviously it would probably get to me because like they are quite sore and you know they're uncomfortable and stuff, but you see, whenever your job is basically your face and putting makeup on and going on camera and putting yourself out there online and you have herpes and you're like, not a good look. Not a good look. Like I'm constantly putting creams and lotions and potions on my lip, and do you know what, like they do work a wee bit, but I just don't know what's going on. I've been loving this wee Shea Glam Pot Concealer recently. This is the Rapid Retouch Cream Concealer. It's in the shade Linen, and we really see this for coverage and brightness. So this concealer is given, of course, full glam, full coverage, but it's also given like UK makeup, which I live for. So if you're not into that, this probably isn't going to be your type of concealer at all. But you see, just for like a wee pot concealer, the brightness and the coverage in this is unreal. Just look at that brightness and that coverage. I'm going to slightly bring it down around my mouth. I was going to say my nose. You see, I can't even laugh properly because of my stupid lip. I'm like, I was gonna say my nose, my mouth and my nose. Jesus. I'm gonna take my foundation sponge and also do a wee bit of a blend. Pot concealers are great to just even spot conceal before you apply your foundation, or even just how I'm using it now, or to like cover blemishes, or I don't know, whatever way you use concealer. but I just used concealer to brighten my under eyes, and of course to add a wee bit more coverage. Honestly, it's an absolutely fabulous concealer, and because it's GRWM, it's literally a couple of quid. Like Melon Mood and Affection. I have two cream blushes here. I'm not too sure what one I want to use yet. I used this in my last video, so I might not use it again, but it's actually really hard not to use it because it's so nice and just perfect for the tutorial and the look, really. This is from GRWM. It is their Plain Cupid Cream Blush in the shade Affection. It's the most perfect like Valentine's Day pink, and of course gorgeous wee packaging. But then I've lifted this out because I'm going to use a wee bit of this on the lips. It's the P. Louise the Cheek of It blush in the shade Melon Mood, so I might actually just use a wee bit of this. But I don't think this is, like honestly, I don't think this is as pigmented as the GRWM blush. So I'm just going to put a wee bit of this on. I'll go into the GRWM one because I want this to be quite pink. Why not? So has anybody got any plans for Valentine's Day for tomorrow? Me and Kyle have actually a couple of plans. Usually, this is hilarious. Well, it's not hilarious, but it is to me kind of, maybe, I don't know. Shut up. But our usual routine on Valentine's Day is to get a takeaway and watch a horror movie. I don't know where it came from, I don't know how it started, but it's just always been a thing to the point where we've actually now noticed it, and it's been a reoccurring thing. And I think it's always because the past many years Valentine's Day has always landed on like a weekday. Obviously if it lands on the weekend, we'll go out at the weekend. So I think we're going to kind of break the mold this year and actually do something a bit different. I have been seeing this like trending photo shoot thing on TikTok, and I think I'm going to do that. So I went to my dad and I asked him for all his newspapers. Have you seen it? If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Okay, so I got my dad to give me all his old newspapers. I went to B&Q, I got some red paint. So we're going to do a wee photo shoot. So that's going to be quite nice actually, it'll be fun. Berries palette from Beauty Bay, I'm going to take Bubblegum, which is this shade here, on a fat packing brush, just to start packing this all over the lid. And I have noticed, what you see it's probably off now, and I'm wrong. But if you want to have a wee nosy, I think this palette is on sale at the minute. So get it while you can. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy about all the feedback from yesterday's video, by the way. Listen to me, I sound like a CEO. I'm so happy with all you guys' feedback. I woke up this morning and I had so many comments on yesterday's video, the first of my music video series. I was a wee bit with that particular makeup look. I don't know, I wasn't feeling it. Maybe it was because it was too easy. My hair was driving me insane. I'm still so happy that you guys were happy with it, and you also give me so many other recommendations in the comment section. I'm so excited to continue on with this series. It's the type of series I feel like I'm gonna be able to continue it on for years. Like, where am I going to stop? Where am I going to stop? Because I have so many people in a list on my phone, like in my notes, from just ideas, you know? And I've obviously taken your guys' ideas from the comment section as well. Oh, it's just so good. I was also thinking while I was editing yesterday's video, it would be such a vibe though if YouTube wasn't a dick and I was able to actually listen to music while doing these videos and look at listening to the actual song that I was actually recreating the makeup look from. Oh, that looks so pretty. So I've took a crazy notion that I want to grow out my eyebrows again. Lord save us. And I don't know whether I'm crazy or not. You know yourself, if you're wanting to grow out your eyebrows, there's always that in-between stage where, oh, it's just, everything's just driving you insane. I'm going to take the Beauty Bay and Nikki Tutorials palette. I'm so sorry if you can't get this palette anymore, but I was just going through my makeup drawers the other day and I came across it, opened it, swatched a couple of shades, and I came across this one in the corner. You couldn't really see it there in the viewfinder because of the reflection, but it's pink. But it's got a really beautiful like reflex in it. So I'm going to take this on my finger and press this on what does that look like? So I'm kind of going to go for like a metallic pink eye. I have other products here as well that I might use, like this liquid highlight from Flower Nose, this glitter liner from Flower Nose. Basically all the products that I used for my previous Valentine's Day makeup look, I also have here that I might use. Okay, before I go any further, I'm going to take the Flower Nose highlighter. It's in the shade Fairy Whisper. Just a couple of wee taps all over the lid. And then just blending that all over. And whilst that's still taggy and wet, going on with the Pride shade from the Nikki Tutorials palette. It's just going to make this shadow a wee bit more intense. And especially on the lid. Ooh, yeah. You see, this is just easy, but it's so cute. And then also I'm going to hit the brow bone and bring that right out as well. I have this loose glitter from Technic and it's in the shade, I have no idea. Oh, I do! Ariel. Where do I put this? Give me a minute. Right, hold on. Is this, oh my god, it looks wet. Yeah, that's a metallic eye. I've achieved it. Done. That is so cute. That's both eyes done now. So now I'm going to film my TikTok and with yous here on the YouTube video. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. I do apologise if like you're able to see my phone and my phone light that I use to film my TikToks and stuff. I'm going to kind of set yous over here anyway so you can kind of see everything. But first of all, is this too late? Like Valentine's Day is tomorrow and I'm not going to be able to do this before tomorrow obviously, but I got the Colourpop, I just got these packages in PR. It's the Colourpop Valentine's Day collection. Would you still want a full tutorial on this next week? Also, I got the new Pretty Fresh Tinted Foundation Balm. Oh! Tinted foundation balm. Oh, I just thought it was, oh, okay, that changes it. Okay, this could be quite interesting. I'm either going to love it or I'm going to curse it to hell. So they were kind enough to send me quite a few shades actually, so I might actually be able to give the majority of these away, or else maybe use them as cream contours or cream bronzers. No, they might all be a wee bit too light, but they're pretty good shades actually. Definitely one of those is bound to match me with my fake tan, so yeah, I'll try them next week as well. This is going to be the weirdest setup ever. I'm so sorry if you can't really see what I'm doing. I'm going to be doing everything here, so hopefully you will be able to see everything. And I obviously won't be speaking through this either because I'm going to be filming a TikTok. Oh my god, Stanley, don't do that. Okay, so this is the wee heart that I'm using. So let's do this. This is, oh my god, why am I bothering? Okay, I'm able to do this at least off TikTok, so I'm still using this palette by the way. But I'm just perfecting this blend a wee bit. Oh dear. Okay, I have no idea what I managed to get and didn't get, so I do apologise. But this is what we're left with. I don't, sorry, I don't love it actually for some reason. And the Sephora blush, it's in the shade I'm in love. I have no idea what is actually going on with the lighting. Like I've obviously got my blinds open now. My lighting is back to normal the way it usually is. But it still looks off, or is it just me? Or is it the way I'm sitting? I think it's the way I'm sitting. I'm usually over here somewhere. Oh, I don't even know. Oh my god, this video is such a mess. I don't even know what I'm doing. Just try and put a wee bit of highlight over that. I'm just going to use the same lip combo that I used yesterday because it was just sitting here in front of me. So the Juvia's Place lip liner. And then Doll Beauty Fomo. Louise blush. I'm honestly so sorry. I really do apologise if this tutorial was all over the place. As soon as I started the TikTok, I feel like I went downhill from there. I just applied some of the pound lashes, half lashes, the HL07 lashes. This brand is actually doing buy one get one free at the minute. I done a big massive order this morning before I got filming, and I ordered so many more of these and some other ones that I really liked, and then other new styles. I actually done like a haul, like a try on haul of these lashes a couple of videos back if you want to go and have a nosy, but that brand is doing a buy one get one free at the minute. It finishes tomorrow, by the way, Valentine's Day, so get them when you can. I honestly love this eye makeup look. Like that eyeshadow is just, it's so cute. I'm absolutely loving it. That's just divine. That's just giving GALentines Day. And also check out my TikTok too. Help a gal out. So I hope you guys all enjoyed. I'll see you tomorrow for Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in my next one.